Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change your name in Among Us. Ever wondered how to change your name in Among Us? First, make sure you're not using a guest account, since guest players can only randomize their names instead of choosing one. To fix this, sign in or create an account. If you don't see the option, simply restart the app. This will bring you back to the login screen where you can sign in with your Google Play or any preferred email. Once you're logged in, open the game and head to My Account. From there, tap Account, then select Change Name. Type in your new name, hit OK, and confirm it. You'll immediately see your updated name appear in the game lobby. You can change it as often as you'd like, so feel free to experiment with creative or fun names to match your mood. If the name doesn't update right away, try restarting the app once more to refresh your profile settings. And there you have it. Your new Among Us identity is ready for your next match. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.